Oh.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh my God, guys. I have been praying for this. Here you go. I've got coins for you. Yep. Okay, one for you and one for Ate. No. She already did. Ate Paris for the other one. Yay! Good job.
There's a lot of money.
I know. Mag-iipon na naman ang... Oh, shush!
How did
Marami pang pwedeng ilagay dito na coins.
Mommy, how did you take it out?
Which one? The money? No.
No.
I have coins from yesterday.
I want to make
And
it
that's what we put
again.
in here.
I'm doing it again.
No, we have to get more coins. We can't take it out and put it back. Buang. Halaka.
So how did you get it out when you were going?
Last time, I cut it. Here. Open it with the can opener. Yeah. Ling Ling, are you saving again, Lang? Yeah, for your next Philippines trip. Good afternoon, guys. Happy
Today's December.
December. It's still February. So it's Sunday and it is afternoon already. Daddy Mike is not here. Kaninang umaga, hindi umaga, midday.
Ma, what do you mean? That's afternoon. No, it isn't.
It is. It's just so bright outside. You can't tell it's afternoon. Daddy Mike left kanina. Pumunta siya ng pub. Dito lang malapit sa amin, guys, sa Bulimba. Kasi may UFC fight. At alam niyo naman ang ating... Ayun, nakasaw na ito. Alam niyo naman ang ating Daddy Mike ay sobrang addict sa UFC. Kaya nandun siya. At kami, alam nga, sama kami, guys. Hindi na kami sama. Dito na lang kami sa bahay. Hey, give it to Mama Bay so we can put it away. It's very, very noisy. So, ngayon ay pupuntahan natin si Daddy Mike. Aww! Puntahan natin si Daddy Mike. Pick upin natin siya. Tsaka pa kami lalabas. So, alam niyo ba? So, si Daddy Mike ay hindi ko natatawagan. So, nag-message na lang kami sa Instagram ba? At saka sa ito eh. Yung normal na yung SMS. Kasi alam niyo ba, hanggang ngayon ay wala pa rin yung phone ni Daddy Mike. So, if you remember, nung nasa Sydney kami, galing namin ng Pinas, ay naiwan ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang phone sa aircraft, Philippine Airlines. Ayan pala, oh, tumatawag na, oh. Sa Facebook Messenger. Yes, Daddy?
Where are you, Mommy?
Sa home. So, nung nandun pa kami ng Sydney, pinuntahan ni Daddy Mike yung airport. Tapos, the lady there was very helpful. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, kinonfirm nila na nandun daw yung phone ni Daddy Mike. Kasi they've asked Daddy Mike all the security questions, kung anong klaseng phone, kung anong kulay, ganito, ganyan. And then, sabi nila, yung phone daw ay nasa Philippine Airlines na office. So, ngayon, sabi nila, you come back tomorrow at yun yung flight namin pa uwi ng Brisbane. So, if you watch that vlog, pumunta si Daddy Mike doon before kami nag-catch ng flight namin. However, hindi ko na kayo na-update noon. Daddy Mike came back without the phone kasi very unorganized na yung mga tao na nakakausap niya sa taas. Apparently, sabi nung babae doon, wala na sa kanila yung phone, go down to Denata kasi they can answer your questions, whatever. So, ngayon, pumunta si Daddy Mike sa Denata. Sinabihan naman na pumunta ka ng Philippine Airlines office kasi nandun nga daw yung phone. Anyways, we had to catch the flight. So, hindi na namin na-organize ang pag-pick up ng phone. Kasi every time naman na nung pinuntahan ni Daddy Mike, wala namang positive result. Wala namang nangyayari. Kasi sabi nila, wala na sa kanila, or I think Daddy Mike was just talking to the wrong person. Kasi the day before, nung pinuntahan ni Daddy Mike, kinonfirm na nandun. So ngayon, umuwi kami ng Brisbane, hoping na kasi sabi nila, just leave your number, tatawagan ka na lang namin whenever, kailan pick up yung phone. Kasi yung Philippine Airlines daw na office sa Brisbane ay walang tao all the time. Like, walang tao most of the time. Kaya, kung pupunta ka man doon, kailangang mag-organize ka ng time. Make sure na someone is there. Ngayon, so, nakabalik na kami ng Brisbane, guys. Walang tawag, nothing at all. So, tinatawagan ni Daddy Mike. And, yeah. So, wala pa rin. Walang balita kung nandun bang phone or, because I don't think they care at all. Guys, sino bang iniisip nila? Kung hindi man nila ginagamit yung phone, probably the phone is just sitting in the office and they just didn't care kung sinong may-ari. Yeah, it's really sad. For sure, kung ano man siguro yun, kung airlines dito yun sa Australia, I think it's easier to track. But, anyways, so, ngayon ay walang phone si Daddy Mike. Sabi ni Daddy, may phone si Daddy Mike pero hindi siya bumili ng SIM card kasi iniisip niya na may babalik pa sa kanya yung phone niya. But earlier today, sinabi niya sa akin na he is starting to lose hope daw na mabalik pa sa kanya yung phone. Especially, it's been a while now. Like, it's been 2 weeks since we're back and wala pa rin kaming narinig from them. Although the last conversation that they had, sabi na, baka mag-organize ka ng time tapos papuntahan doon. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, maybe it's worth it na yung, he'll get someone kasi may kakilala naman si Daddy Mike na mga friends niya sa Sydney na maybe they can make time na puntahan yung, phone ni Daddy Mike. But, knowing Daddy Mike, ayaw niyang kasi last time na pumunta siya, sabi niya, people are very unorganized and he's very worried na kung papuntahin man niya yung best friend niya, si Steph, or kung kahit sino man nakakilala niya doon, ay mag-waste lang ng time kasi pagdating doon, parang handball lang ba na doon pumunta, tapos in the end, wala namang makukuha. So, I'm not sure kung anong gagawin ni Daddy Mike. Maybe, I'll try to push him na mag-send someone there. Maybe that's the last resort that we have para makuha yung phone niya. Kasi at the moment, napakahirap guys kasi hindi ko siya matawagan, message lang. Tapos yung phone ko pa, nakaset yung Instagram messages ko na parang hindi siya mag-pop up sa phone ko ba. So pag hindi ko in-open, hindi ko nakikita yung messages. And then, yung naman, minsan, yeah, it's just very annoying. More on call kasi ako guys kaysa text. Okay, anyways, yung gamit na phone ni Daddy Mike at the moment is yung old phone ko na naging kanya. Tapos, biak-biak na yung screen niya ay biak-biak na. So, if ever na hindi talaga makita na yung phone, hindi na maibalik sa kanya, we might just have to get another phone for him. Or if he's happy with the phone that he's got now, it's still working. It's just not, very nice kasi broken glass. Maybe, yeah, he'll consider getting like a SIM card. Para may na kami magamit siya. Celine, where's your headband lang? Tingnan niyo ang ating prince. Hey, where's your headband? Ha? Oh, shush. Pinag-shower ko to silang dalawa kanina ni Ate Paris. Ay, we have to go now because Daddy Mike is waiting. Oh, you know where Daddy Mike is waiting lang? The park. Daddy Mike is at the park. Shall we go?
That means we can play a little bit.
Correct. Put your shoes on and we can go. Put the water bottle inside your bag.
My butt's gonna wet in.
No, it's close. We're in Balimba now. And minessage ko lang si Daddy Mike na pumunta dito. Kasi si Daddy Mike nag-wait siya sa park. But then, I seen that yung Korean cafe I opened. So I want to get something to eat
Later,
and to drink.
after the party. No. I want to go now.
Hey, Daddy's coming here now. Come on, while they're open because they're going to close soon.
After.
You have to order now. Ay, shush! Who is sleepy? Tingnan nyo. Ay, kahit saan pumunta, maraming bit-bit.
No, there. I'm just saying it.
Put it on your shoulder, te. Like that. Hmm?
It's really heavy.
Ang daming chiburiching
But
dala eh.
after eating, can we go to park?
Of course, okay. The sun's still up. And it's still very warm. You know that it's 36 degrees today.
That's
Kaya
really,
hindi kami lumabas.
that's
Ngayon
really
lang
hot.
kasi hapon na. It's not too bad. Oh, Daddy's here. Look!
Daddy.
Go! Quick! Daddy! Ah, wala na. Tito, ana.
Hey!
Why? What happened? What's wrong? Ah, it's just in the dog. It's okay.
Where's my car?
Go. Is she good? Okay, there we go.
Thank you.
How are you, Daddy?
Thank you.
How was it?
A little bit
Daddy,
Wow, may pakay pala sa parents kay Daddy.
can I eat?
Look, what's wrong with your head? What happened, Daddy?
a little bit heartbreaking, but it's okay.
Did you cry?
I didn't.
What's your eyes red?
Are they?
Yeah.
Screaming, what?
Why is that right? And
Yes. Yeah, but I think he won. Everyone, like looking at the internet, everyone thinks he won.
yeah.
Oh.
Was it unanimous decision?
Yeah, but he won. I don't know. He's amazing, one. Like he's so small compared to the other guy.
Yeah.
He's like a very tough puzzle. Like the Khabib one, he's like holding him down,
That's on pay you.
choking him, and you see
Yeah.
that little Aussie is like, he's just like screaming. He's like, you can't beat. He's like, you can't beat me. He's like screaming, and like he's like, boom over his head, and that the Khabib one's like trying to choke him,
Yeah.
and that guy, the Aussie one, his face is like purple.
Yeah?
But he's like still talking. He's like, nah. I'm not losing to you. I will not lose to you. And then at the end, in the last round,
Very ano talaga siya sa kanyang UFC. Hindi baka tapos ang story ay ang ating baby sarili. Umaalis na.
yeah, in the last round, he was like, that Muslim is like trying to like wrestle with him because you know how they got to wrestle him. He's trying to choke him and that.
Yeah.
But the Aussie one just kept like throwing him off, and then he actually wrestled him, threw him to the ground, and he was like on top of him. And he's like just smashing him. But I don't know how to just get the other guy.
After eating, can we go park?
Yeah, it's very hot, but
Yeah, it's very hot.
Like at
Wait,
the park,
wait
I was
for a sec. I'm just gonna go order sa dyan guys. Sweet drink and Korean hot dog. So we're going to order the mozzarella hot dog. Hey, come here, Tay. What would you like? Yep. Okay. Hi, how are you? Can I please have 2 mozzarella hot dog? Coconut milkshake. Do you have one? Yeah, we can do that. Cool. Thank you. Karen, would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
you know you got.
Do you want the strawberry milkshake?
Please get my
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, can I please have coconut jelly with it and pearls?
I got Celine. She can't have the pills.
Oh yeah. What do you reckon we get for Celine?
So we usually use strawberry powder for the milkshake, but we also have a syrup, but to get sweeter than the powder, we can do that as well.
Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, thank you.
Any toppings on that one?
Nah, that's all good. Hang on, Nak, I'm have to pay. you.
See? That's him, right?
Apple ba?
See? Just like get off me.
Yeah.
Fight, like stand up and fight, then like this.
Oh well. Natalo daw yung Australian guys eh. Daddy's upset. Hoy, careful there please. Lini, Lini.
Because you have to climb over here.
Ate, away from the road there.
And here.
Where did you go, Ling Ling? There's some water? There's some water?
Paris? What are you doing?
Uy,
Leave that.
yun lang, this water here lang. Oh no! Lini! Put everything back. Now, I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with nothing on, but I made you look. I made you look. Tingin si Daddy doon kung may fun.
Hey.
Uy, sorry alam. Ayan, sinama yung stick sa lihin.
Guys, let me show you my phone.
Wow! Where's the thing? Where's your phone?
Here.
Ayun si Daddy Mike, oh.
La 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 do.
Hindi, kung bibili si Daddy Mike ng phone, punta lang kung tingin sa sa marketplace. Katulad nung ginawa ko ba, nung may kami ng Pinas, di ba? Binilhan ko yung family ko ng mga iPhone.
Ma, what's that smell?
Did you just fart?
No,
Are you sure?
I didn't.
Are you sure?
I did. Maybe it's the stink bug. Back to the
Yeah. Thank you.
mine.
Here's yours.
Why is there
Yes,
no
Mama.
bean? Why is there no that?
So you can share with Selene. Put it there.
Where we're sitting?
Mine has got coconut jelly and pearls. Then this mozzarella. Thank you. You too. Diba? Yummers.
Wow, yummy! Put it down.
Bon appetit, Paris. Bon appetito. Kanak be? Bon
Good
appetit.
morning, my
Good morning. You say bon appetit.
another tea.
Tignan niyo guys, oh. iPhone. What's it the same as yours? 11 Pro?
What's yours?
11. Mine is 14.
Yeah, I think mine's not that old, but I only got mine last year.
I think yours 10.
I only got mine last year, but
11 and 10. Oh, I'm not sure.
I thought mine was a 13.
What's it?
If yours is a 14, and mine's only a year old.
Yeah. Ayan guys, oh. 11 Pro, 64 gigabytes, 799 Australian dollars. It's pre-owned na ha. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, just wait. I'll do my research. I'll get something pre-owned sa marketplace. I'll find one cheaper than that. My goodness, that's sobrang mahal guys. Ah, goodness. Walang katapusang expenses guys. Lini, yam lang? We are going to the park now. Yung park isang block away lang. So, dyan sila rin nanood ng ano, ng UFC kanina. Ayan, pub dyan. So, yung ating Korean ay nandyan lang. Ayan, sa corner na yan. There. Tapos yung park ay dyan lang sa sobrang lapit lang sa isa't isa. Hindi mahirap. Celine is loving daddy. What is it like? Oh, really?
Yeah,
Is it where you went?
the train.
The train?
That train, that's the way.
Oh.
Because the food is on the machine.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We can get that. We can get that next time because they're already closed. But that's okay.
That's okay. Next time. Ooh, have a look at this. There's a unicorn.
Which one do you like more, Mike?
Ganda ng mga laruan, guys.
Which one do you like more?
The pink one. Yeah. See? Sus, nung ako'y bata pa, guys.
Daddy will probably love the
Play with the tansan. The,
Daddy will probably like the brown.
you reckon?
Yes.
Pinaglalaroan yung mga dahon, mga bato, mga, ano bang laruan namin sa Pinas before? Yung mga sisila ng chichirya na wala ng laman. Oh no! Ngayon, naku, yung mga kids, nabaha yung mga laruan nila. Ha?
Crossing the road. I think everyone. I think the stuff and the park. I think they're cool now.
The slides?
Yeah, and the swing because it's already the afternoon.
Sure.
When it's the afternoon, it's not hot. It's just right.
It's just right?
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Yeah, it cools
Mine
down
is my
now.
favorite flower.
Gumamela, may gumamela sila dito. Don't pick it lang.
Why?
It's the hours. It looks beautiful there.
That's why I want to take it. You know what, guys? I got a magic potion.
Magic potion?
It's the magicest in the whole world.
Oh.
It's white. Because I put a little bit of cream inside. Like the massage cream.
The massage cream?
A little bit.
Oh, is that why you don't have left anymore?
Look.
Lang
That's
lang.
why it turned white.
Ayan yung park, guys. Oh. Oh, ano, banda ka siya sa init, guys. So we'll see if it's cooled down.
I'm gonna make some friends.
Why?
Because I don't think.
Well, you might. Maybe William is here. You don't know.
I
It's
think.
okay, your sister's here anyway.
Who?
Your best friend,
Oh,
Who's your sister?
Lainey.
yeah, sorry. I put.
Go on.
Hold it.
Did my dad call?
Can I get something from my bag for a minute?
Of course.
Can
Yeah, some
What's your favorite, Ling?
my tape is okay?
The swing. What is it, lang?
I just
Hang on,
want to
because
get.
you're dropping everything. What is it you want? The paper?
Yeah,
Grab that one. Pull it. There you go.
I mean, that's not the one. I mean, there's another one.
I don't think there's another one, sweetie.
There is? This? Yes.
I'll throw the rest in the bin.
Hey!
Oh no, Lainey's gone.
Hey, Mommy!
Quick.
I needed that little paper.
Which
Quick,
yellow?
please, so I can go.
The
get it.
little one. You printed it.
I didn't print it.
Yes, he did.
When?
I didn't draw it. I didn't.
Ang ibigay to sa ano, guys, sa kids na nandyan. Yeah, you can give it if you want to. Go. Mahilig talaga to siyang gumawa ng mga cards, guys. Kahit yung
Mommy?
teacher niya, binibigyan niya ng card. Yung
Mommy?
friend niya sa school, my God, everyday my card. Sana all. Nak, sana all. Come on, let's go, because Celine's gone. Ay, naku, buti na lang nadala si Paris ng kanyang paper bag. May sisidla ng mga chichibuchi. Still hot guys. Grabe ang araw eh. It is nearly 6 o'clock ata ngayon. And still, taas-taas pa rin ang araw. How come this one here lang? Lini! Baby! Love na love niya talagang swing. Yes! Come here! Ang mukha be? Ang mukha be? Yee! Ba? Apple.
Yay!
Apple.
Yay! Right, lean back. Hey! Hey!
Good job. Yeah, okay. This one, Daddy?
Yeah, go on.
I'm a little bit scared on my own.
No, you're a big girl.
Hey, no, you can do it. Same as at school. Go on.
Why? Help.
Go. Wrap your legs around it. Wrap your legs. There you go. Go on,
You did it.
wrap up. Go. Go on. Go. Drop.
Bili ng panit.
Don't climb over it, Paris.
I need.
No.
Nak, I can see your skin is on the slide.
Huh?
Your skin. Do you still have skin left on your leg?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's a joke. It's a joke, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Why is it a joke?
Okay, just be careful, anak. Yes, it's a joke. Good.
Yeah, come back to daddy.
You have to teach her how to play it.
Mummy, let's.
Katul ka na ba?
Can you do us a back? Can you do a somersault backwards? Yeah, and then keep it going over.
I can't.
Guys, it's now 6 o'clock. It's still...
Go.
So bright. 6 o'clock, nandito pa kami sa park.
Parky.
Parky. Ilabodoy, kulang tao.
Orange boys.
Celine's trying to do a back somersault.
Mommy, video me doing this.
You can?
Mama,
Oh.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh my god, guys.
down.
I have been praying for this. So we're all healthy
Look.
and happy. I can't ask for more.
Ow!
Ooh, bless you.
Ow!
Bless you. It's the airplane there.
It's a big guy.
It's a plane.
Contest, yeah, it's really long, isn't it?
Celine. Mommy, look. Celine, look.
It's fucking huge.
Mm.
Celine.
Yeah! Happy girl? Are you a happy girl?
A few moments later.
What? My face?
Shower na ang ating Ate Paris kasi mag-ready na siya for bed. Kasi si ating baby Celine ay nakatulog na. Ito siya ay pumatulog. Pinasahan ko na ng dalawang bedtime stories.
Guys, I have a teeth.
Where's your teeth?
I don't know. I don't have teeth.
Your grandma.
Joking. I do have teeth.
1, 2.